Ever pondered over the secret to achieving crystal clear well water? The answer is simpler than you might think. Imagine turning on your faucet and filling a glass with water that's as clear as a mountain stream. That's the dream, isn't it? The truth is, well, water can sometimes be a far cry from this ideal. It can be clouded with sediments, tainted with iron, or even worse, contaminated with harmful bacteria. But don't fret, there's a clear solution to this murky problem. The solution lies in a three-step process: testing, treating, and maintaining. Yes, it's that straightforward. Let's dive in, shall we? First up, testing. Start by getting your well water professionally tested by contacting SoftPro Water Systems. It will give you a comprehensive understanding of what's in your water. This step is crucial because it helps identify the specific contaminants or issues affecting the clarity of your well water. Next, treating. Once you know what's in your water, you can treat it accordingly. If your water has high levels of sediment, a sediment filter might be the answer. For waters with high iron content, an iron filter can help. If bacteria are the culprits, a UV light system can effectively eliminate them. Remember, each well's water is unique, so the treatment system should be tailored to your specific needs. Lastly, maintaining. Regular maintenance of your water treatment systems is essential to ensure they function optimally. Keep an eye on your water quality, and don't hesitate to call in professionals if you notice any changes. In conclusion, achieving crystal clear well water is not a complex mystery. It's just about following the right steps: testing, treating, and maintaining. By doing so, you can enjoy the luxury of clean, clear, and safe well water every single day. So go ahead, start the journey towards crystal clear well water today and visit softprowatersystems.com, because everyone deserves water that's as clear as a mountain stream.